Grabe mga kababayan, ito yung pinakita natin kanina. So ayan nga po, no? Sabi ng, ayan, sabi...
Anong gagawin?
Una, palawakin natin ang exemption sa income tax.
Ayun, exempt tax. Oh. Oo nga. Alimbawa, ano yun? Alimbawa,
Dagdagan natin ang mga manggagawang malilibre sa buwis sa kanilang kita. Isasama na natin ang mga kumikita ng hindi lalagpas sa 350,000 pesos
dati
kada
250
taon.
yun eh. Ngayon, 300 na. Exempted. Pag ang kinita 300,000 isang
Kasabay nito
taon,
ang karampatang
exempted
pagbaba
yun.
ng
Walang
income
babayaran.
tax ng iba parang manggagawa. Pangalawa, ang mga maliliit na negosyo ay hindi napapatawan ng minimum corporate income tax.
Ganun. Hindi, baka naman malugi tayo.
Pangatlo, para mapanatag ang loob ng taong bayan ang pagbigay ng amnesty para sa mga hindi
Yun.
nabayarang buwis tulad ng income tax,
Tama.
estate at donors tax
Oo.
at value-added tax.
Ano tawag yan? Ano ba tawag sa hindi na babayaran yung multa?
Kasama na rin dyan ang mga multa na kaakibat ng mga ito. Malinaw ang mga leksyon sa atin ng mga nagdaang buwan.
Yung mga hindi na bayaran buwis,
Ang kahalagahan
naipon.
ng seguridad at katatagan ng bansa
Alisin
pagdating
na
sa
yung mga
enerhiya
charges.
at sa pagkain. Ng ating ugnayan sa ibang bansa at ng bawat mamamayan kahit saan man sila naroon. Pangalawa, ang abilidad ng pamahalaan na kumilos agad sa angkop at mainam na paraan. At ang ikatlo, ang pagpursige at pagtatyag ng Pilipino sa kabila ng mga hamong dumadaan. Dala ang mga sariwang leksyon nito, mas maayos at
Doon naman
mabilis
tayo sa malapit-lapit na
sa
eh.
karagdagan oportunidad para sa hanap buhay. Napataas din natin ang minimum wage ng OFW, ng OFW natin na namamasukan bilang kasambahay.
Ganon.
Para naman sa ating mga pensyonadong karahasan at kapabayaan ay nag-iwan ng malaking puwang sa kanilang pamilya at mapait na aral din para sa ating lahat. Sa mga magulang at kaanak ng mga nasawit at nasaktan dahil sa nangyaring karahasan sa mga paaralan, tanggapin po ninyo ang aming taimtim na pakikiramay.
Pakikiramay.
To the
Dagdagan mo na.
parents of Chris Lawrence Fabian, Joyan C. Separa, and Ayesa Nicole Dazo, we are all so very proud of the Nakaantabay din para sa kanila ang Project Aruga ng DSWD para sa karagdagang tulong pinansyal.
Yun, tama yun.
Makatamasa ng mga benepisyo ng bill
Ano
or
pa?
green lanes. These are estimated to create over 400,000 jobs for our fellow Filipinos. Our productive eco-zones lay down the fertile groundwork that brings these investments into actual fruition, posting consistent growth rates over the past 3 years.
The joint session is adjourned.
Teka.
It's
Lumampas
our
siya.
gateway to space
Lumampas
and
naman
host
yung
the
pindot ko.
country's first spaceport. A sounding rocket launch test is slated for next year. Yes, we are going to launch our rocket into space.
No? Makapalipad tayong rocket. Baka rating sa moon.
This we will do in partnership with the South Korean aerospace company. We do not have to look or sail very far to find dependable allies. ASEAN is our safe harbor, within which we share not only mutual proximity, but affinity. During our chairship of the ASEAN Summit this year, we advocated for greater solidarity and cooperation among ASEAN member states. Together, we found ways to alleviate the dire consequences of the war in the Middle East. Through a united ASEAN and its strong extended network, we have achieved greater security and resilience as a region and as individual nations, more capable of withstanding disruptive events. The ASEAN Plus 3 Emergency Rice Reserve System will guarantee emergency rice supply in case of shortage in our domestic production. The ASEAN Digital Economy Framework, led by the Philippines, will harmonize digital rules and enable cross-border digital transaction. It will accelerate the growth of our local tech sector, enable fintech and digital banking solutions, very far to find dependable allies. ASEAN is our safe harbor, within which we share not only mutual proximity, but affinity. During our chairship of the ASEAN Summit this year, we advocated for greater solidarity and cooperation among ASEAN member states. Together, we found ways to alleviate the dire consequences of the war in the Middle East. Through a united ASEAN and its strong extended network, we have achieved greater security and resilience as a region and as individual nations, more capable of withstanding disruptive events. The ASEAN Plus 3 Emergency Rice Reserve System will guarantee emergency rice supply in case of shortage in our domestic production. The ASEAN Digital
Konti lang palakpak ngayon parang yung mga nasabi niya ngayon nasabi na yata noon yan
Economy Framework, led by the Philippines, will harmonize digital rules and enable cross-border digital transaction. It will accelerate the growth of our local tech sector, enable fintech and digital banking solutions, and support financial inclusion, especially for small enterprises. Likewise, the Framework Agreement on Petroleum Security for the joint stockpiling of energy assets in the region has been ratified.
dapat
And now that our Luzon,
makababa
Visayas,
yung
and
presyo
Mindanao grids are
ng
fully
bayad sa
connected,
kuryente
we are in a better position to connect with our neighbors
Malaking
to help
bagay yun,
realize
tulong yan
the ASEAN Power
dapat
Grid.
kasi
Moved
yung upa
by
ng
our
mga senior
stark
citizen
realizations,
sagutin ng
ASEAN
gobyerno
must further
kalate
strengthen the bonds of our regional cooperation,
kasi
building on our sense
marami
of
siyang pinatayo
affiliation
ng
and the
low-cost
heightened
housing,
instinct
ang
for
layo
mutual
naman.
assistance. This is bayanihan for the international
ilan lang
community
yung pinatayo
and for
niya
this
ngayong
part of the world.
mga pabahay na
And more significant, we in ASEAN, joined by the entirety of Filipinos who by nature are peace-loving, re-echo our unified appeal for an end to violent conflict. We appeal to all parties for a heightened sense of community, to a return to the table, armed only with a genuine desire for peace and for normalcy. True diplomacy builds, violent conflict only destroys. Peace and order are the foundations of security for our country, for our region, for the world. A long but worthwhile 15 years since its signing, we are now ready to formalize a historic completion of the government's peace pact with the CBA-CPLA. And in accordance with the Republic Act number 12317, the BARM electorate is now poised to partake in BARM's first regular parliamentary election.
importante pa ba yan na pakinggan namin?
This is a critical accomplishment under the Comprehensive Agreement on the Bangsamoro. COMELEC, law enforcement, volunteers, deputized agencies, all stakeholders are now ready to ensure that this defining political exercise will be peaceful, orderly, and credible. May these inspiring developments strengthen our collective belief in the unity and indivisibility of the Filipino nation amidst our individual diversity. Our unity and collective consciousness are challenged now greater than ever before. A common threat lies before us,
memorize
directed
ko
against
sa
our
president.
dignity and self-respect.
Ang hirap mag-memorize siya.
Our very
Bagag daw siya
humanity has
Bakit
been called
ganun?
into question. let me remind
Ang hirap
our
kaya
friends
mag-memorize
and our
ng speech.
detractors,
Tapos sabihin nila bangag-bangag.
Filipinos are a
Adik,
noble,
adik.
kind, gracious,
Meron
and
bang
great
bangag na
race.
ganyang presidente?
We are not greedy. We are
Ang
not
bilis niya
racist.
magsalita.
We are not liars.
Kaya ba na kay Sara Indayan, Lustay? Ipapalit ko si Lustay, kaya niya yung ganyang speech sa oras. Nako po. Ayun, nagtayo, ano? Standing ovation, no? Nagtindigan sila, oh. Bakit sila nagtindigan? Ano ba sinabi? Ulitin nga natin. Anong sinabi? Ulit. Dati ka, anong sinabi?
New Agreement on Petroleum Security for the joint stockpiling of energy assets in the region has been ratified. And now that our Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao grids are fully connected, we are in a better position to connect with our neighbors to help
connected
realize
grid yung-
the ASEAN power grid. Moved by our stark realization, ASEAN must further strengthen the bonds of our regional cooperation, building
Nagtayuan. Tignan natin. Ano bang, bakit sila tawayo?
on our sense of affiliation and the heightened instinct for mutual assistance. This is bayanihan for the international community and for this part of the world.
Bayanihan. O, pinalakpakan. Bayanihan.
And more significant, we in ASEAN
Yan.
join
Significant na yan, ha? Tingnan natin. Baka yan yung pinalakpakan.
joined by the entirety of Filipinos who by nature are peace-loving, re-echo our unified appeal for an end to violent conflict. We appeal to all parties for a heightened sense of community, to a return to the table, armed only with a genuine desire for peace and for normalcy.
Peace.
True diplomacy builds. Violent conflict only destroys. Peace and order are the foundations of security for our country, for our region, for the world. A long but worthwhile 15 years since its signing, we are now ready to formalize a historic completion of the government's peace pact with the CPA-CPLA. And in accordance with the Republic Act number 12317, the BARM electorate is now poised to partake in BARM's first regular parliamentary election.
Bangsamoro ba yan? Autonomous region.
This is a critical accomplishment under the Comprehensive Agreement on the Bangsamoro.
Yung
COMELEC,
Bangsamoro.
law enforcement, volunteers, deputized agencies, all stakeholders are now ready to ensure that this defining political exercise
tapusin ko lang.
will be peaceful,
Nakarecord.
orderly, and credible. May these inspiring developments strengthen our collective belief in the unity and indivisibility of the Filipino nation amidst our individual diversity. Our unity and collective consciousness are challenged now greater than ever before. A common threat lies before us, directed against our dignity and self-respect. Of late, our very humanity has been called into question. Let me remind our friends and our detractors, Filipinos are a noble, kind, gracious, and great race. We are not greedy. We are not racists. We are not liars.
We are not liars. Totoo yan, ha? Oo. Ba't nagtatayo na kayo? Ay, ibig sabihin, hindi kayo mga sinungaling. Baka naman, baliktad, ha? Tumayo sila, oh. We are not liars. Nagtayuan kayo, ibig sabihin, hindi kayo mga sinungaling, ha? Talagang matapat kayo, ha? Hindi kayo nangurakot, kayo ng bulsa, ha? Sige, nakatayo sila, oh. Dahil tumayo, oh. Hindi raw sila sinungaling. Totoo yan, ha?
We are respectful
Oh,
and
respectful.
we are dignified. We
Dignified.
are Filipinos.
Hindi nagnanakaw,
and we
dignified.
do not yield.
Oh, ano, tayo na naman kayo. Ba't tayo nito ba yun?
Just recently, we celebrated the 10th anniversary of the final and binding 2016 Arbitral Award, which stands as a definite benchmark for the interpretation and application of the UNCLOS. This is not a claim that we advance alone, nor is it one that we will
West
abandon.
Philippines yun naman.
Your government will do all that is necessary to continue upholding this award, utilizing every peaceful and legal means available to the Republic
Nakita ko kanina
against
siya
any
na
attempt,
Commodore
foreign or
Pariela,
domestic,
nandyan
to undermine this achievement.
Naka-uniforme ng white duck. General. Commodore eh. Ano ba yun?
We give honor to our armed forces, the Coast Guard, even our fisherfolk,
Ayun.
continue to
Dariela.
patrol and ply our seas in the face of great risk.
Philippine
To
Coast
them,
Guard na to.
we
Ito
owe
yung
collective gratitude and
nakakainita
appreciation
sa West
for
Philippines
the
eh, ng
stay,
China.
give life to the letter
Navy.
and spirit of the Arbitral Award.
Grabe. Yun yung mga bayani natin sa West Philippines Sea. Talagang binabangga-bangga, may bomba na ng tubig. Yung mga Philippine Coast Guard natin.
Mga kapwa kong Pilipino, sa ganitong mga banta sa ating seguridad, sa loob at sa labas ng bansa, tayo'y tumindig ng taas loob at magkapit-bisig. Dahil tayo man ay magkakaiba.
Wala namang magtatanggol sa atin, kundi tayo. Kaya, mabuhay ang Pilipinas. Mabuhay ang mga Pilipino.
Sa maraming bagay, iisa lang tayong lahi. Tayong lahat ay Pilipino. Pilipino sa diwa, Pilipino sa dugo. Manaig nawa ang pagkakaisa at ang pagmamahal natin.
Paano yung mga Duterte ayaw makiisa, Pangulo?
Sa bagay na ito, hindi tayo
Ay, magagawa, di ba?
Tayo ay magkakabigkis.
Di ba pinagbantaan ka pa ni Dustay?
Sa ating buong kasaysayan.
Paano pagkakaisa yung Vice President mo? Hindi nakikisa sa'yo.
Sa manlulupi.
Gusto nila, palitan ka na ni Dustay, di ba? O yun, nagtayuan sila, oh. Teka, bakit ganon? Nagtayuan eh. 275, ba? Nagtayuan, oh. 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 Tayuan, oh. Palakpakan, oh. Oh, BBM. Oh, hindi kaya mga sip-sip lang yan mga... hindi, bilik talaga siguro.
Sa 12 taon ng administrasyon, tatapusin natin
Tumayo rin pala
ang
si
malakas
Gatchalian, tsaka yung
at
si D,
tutuparin
yung
ang ating
congressman,
pangako sa
speaker.
sambayanan. My beloved countrymen, let us continue the work that we have started to make the Philippines the country that Filipinos deserve. There is no nobler cause than this. We do this for our children. We do this for our future. We can but do this because we love our country and we love our people. Maraming salamat po. Magandang gabi po. Mabuhay ang Pilipinas!
Mabuhay! BBM. BBM. At tumayo sila, oh. Kasi patapos na ba? Yung speech. Oh. May magbabalot yata. Ano ba yun? Ano na, susunod. At bigyan tumahimik.
On the part of the Senate, the
Oh.
joint session is adjourned.
Adjourn na. Tapos na pala yung
On the
speech.
part of the House of
Mabuhay ang
Representatives,
Pilipinas eh. Di,
the joint
tapos na.
session is adjourned.
Oh. Yun na. Uwi na. Oh. Uwi na. Alisin na yung ano yan. Seal. Tapos na. Ang ganda ng mga suit nyo ah. Gaganda ng mga suit. Oh, yung the best of the best. Gaganda ng mga suit ng mga congressman. Mga senador. Yan. Kasi laki na sweldo nyo. Kasweldo namin sa inyo yan. Kaya nakabili kayo ng magagandang damit. Huwag na kayo magnanakaw ha. Mga korap dyan, magbago na. Oh. Nakasid ni Senate President Bing Gatchalian ang ating Pangulo palabas at saka ni Speaker D. Nakasunod sila sa ating Pangulo palabas ng batasang pambasa o ng House of Representatives. Tapos na po yung speech ng ating Pangulo. Konti lang palakpak. Bakit kaya? Kaya ni Inday Lista yung isang oras, more or less, speech na ganun. Yan ang sinasabi niyong bangag eh. Bangag ba yan? Haba ng speech niya. Mag-memorize nga kayo ng 15 minutes lang kung kaya niya. Pilipinas kong mahal, ang bayan ko, tanging ikaw. Pilipinas kong mahal. At buhay man sa iyo'y ibibigay tungkol. Min kong gagampanan na may paglingkod. Ay, mali. Mahal. Ganon. Yung mga dinaanan niya kanina, yung dumating siya, walang pwedeng kumamay kasi madidelay. O ngayon, dahil tapos na siya, malaya na siya nang lumapit para kumamay sa ating Pangulo. Ganon pala yun. O, may selfie pa o. Sino kaya yun? Selfie pa o. Ayun o. Ha? Oh. Pilipinas kong mahal.